Lie down on your mat, keeping your knees bent, feet on the floor. Let the shoulders be relaxed, body is relaxed. Breathe nicely. And now put your right ankle on the left knee and bring your left knee to the chest and lift your head towards your left knee. This will give a very nice stretch to your right glute. Now put your head down and only hold your right shin. So you're holding your right shin from the ankle and from the knee and keep your left foot down. This will give a further stretch to your right glute. And again bring your left knee to the chest. Put your right ankle on the left knee and put the left foot on the floor. Now hands go behind the head and drop both the knees towards the right side. Feeling this nice twist, this nice stretch, looking to the left. Now bringing your knees back, keeping the right foot on the floor. And now holding your ankles with your palms and lifting your buttocks up. Look at your chest. And now interlace your palms below the buttocks and slowly come down. Now put your left ankle on the right knee and bring your right knee to the chest. Lift your head towards the right knee, feeling that nice stretch in your left glute. Now put your head down and only hold your left shin. So you're holding your left shin like a baby and putting your right foot on the floor, deepening that stretch on the left glute. And again bring your right knee back and put your right foot on the floor. Hands behind the head and drop both the knees to your left and look to your right. Feeling that nice stretch, nice twist. Now bringing your knees back, left foot on the floor. Again grabbing hold of your ankles and lifting your buttocks up as much as you can, lifting from the tummy. And slowly coming down. Let's try this one more time. Trying to hold the ankles or simply keeping the palms on the floor, elongating the back of the neck. And slowly coming down. Straighten your legs. Breathe. Now again bend both the knees. Do this only if you are comfortable as you lift into the wheel pose. So put your palms behind and lift your body up in Chakrasana or the wheel pose. If this is not comfortable, do the previous pose where you were just lifting the buttocks up. And now slowly come back down again, very gently. And bring your knees to the chest in Pavan Muktasana. Rock softly side to side, keeping the shoulders relaxed. Feet go back on the floor. Hands go behind the head. And now inhaling, lift the head up. Exhaling, legs up. Inhaling, hold. Exhaling, head and legs down. We'll do this again. Inhaling, lift the head up. Exhaling, lift the legs up. Inhaling, hold it here. Let the hips also lift up. And exhaling, down. Breathe. Inhaling, head up. Exhaling, legs up. Inhaling, hold. Exhaling, down. Relax. Breathe. Now we'll lift up in a shoulder stand if it is comfortable for you. If not, simply lift your buttocks up while the knees are bent. So we'll support the lower ribs with the help of the palms and lift the legs all the way up. And slowly bringing the legs, the feet behind you in halasana. So keep lengthening from the lower back and interlace your palms behind you. Breathe here, feeling that nice elongation in the neck. And now slowly, gently roll back. Lie down. Once again, hands go behind the head. Drop both the knees to the right side. Inhaling up. Exhaling, drop to the left side. Inhaling, knees up. Exhaling to the right side. Inhaling up. Exhaling to the left side. Inhaling, knees up. Exhaling to the right. Always look in opposite direction to the knees. Few more times. Inhaling up. Exhaling, drop. Inhaling up. Exhaling, drop. Feeling that nice twist in the body, that relaxation. And now finally coming back and bringing your feet together like this and lifting your head towards the feet. Feeling that nice stretch in the buttocks. Now head down and slowly put your feet on the floor. So the knees are apart and the feet are together. And palms are by your side. You can keep your right palm on your heart and your left palm on your abdomen. Taking in nice and deep breaths. Letting the knees sink to the floor. Letting the inner thighs getting that gentle stretch. Stay here. As you continue to breathe, continue to relax yourself. And now you can slowly straighten your legs and lie down in Shavasana. The arms are by your side, loose and relaxed. Breathing to the belly softly and gently. And simply just being here. Watching your navel rise and fall. As you breathe. Feeling that lightness flow through you in this pose. And with every exhalation, letting go of all the tension, all the tightness in the body and in the mind. Breathe nicely, gently. And whenever you are ready, you can turn to your right side and slowly come up. And thank yourself for this practice.